Hi, this is Alex Maines with an Audio Precision Quick Tip. Quick Tips usually provide a brief look at an APx500 feature or function. This quick tip is about hardware. If you are looking for a cost-effective, all-in-one solution for production test or quality control test, consider the APx517B Acoustic Audio Analyzer. As a calibrated, self-contained system, the APx517 simplifies the testing of electro-acoustic transducers, including speakers, headphones, headsets, microphones, and the wide range of consumer electronics incorporating speakers and microphones. The APx517 includes a mono power amplifier, a 2-channel headphone amplifier, a microphone power supply, TED support, and a module bay that can be configured at the factory with one of 6 different digital I/O modules. Here's a quick look at each of these APx517 features. The power amplifier provides 35 watts of power and has 2 fully protected switchable output connectors. APx500 software is used to switch between the two. In a production test environment, this allows you to actively test one device on one output while setting up another device for test on the other output, minimizing the time between tests. The power amplifier is connected to a speaker using a 4-conductor cable with a positively locking speak-on connector. The 4-conductor configuration enables a Kelvin voltage measurement to be made. Along with the APx517's built-in current sense capabilities, this allows for highly accurate impedance and current measurements. The integrated 2-channel headphone amplifier connects through a user-swappable headphone connector panel, which is available in 3 different configurations: a 3.5mm TRS panel, a 1/4 inch TRS panel, or a dual BNC panel. The panels can be swapped out on-site as system configuration needs change. The output is fully protected with current overload, reverse overload, and thermal protection. On the input side, there are 2 analog input channels, each with an XLR balanced and BNC unbalanced connector. 48-volt phantom power is provided on the XLR connectors, with constant current power and DC bias voltage as options available on the BNC connector. When a TEDS-enabled microphone is attached to a BNC connector, the APx500 software can acquire TEDS data and set the sensitivity for the channel so no external microphone calibration is required. The APx517 module bay in this analyzer has been configured with a Bluetooth Duo module, but PDM, digital serial, HDMI, and digital audio modules are also available. With the addition of 1 or more measurement microphones, the APx517 provides all the necessary functionality to perform calibrated acoustic measurements. It has the capability to drastically reduce setup and reconfiguration time compared to a system consisting of multiple individual components, and can go from unboxing to testing in 5 minutes or less. Check out our YouTube channel for a 5-minute setup to test demonstration. That's all for now. You'll find more information and additional quick tips at ap.com, and thanks for watching.